Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Today we are taking a look at what a junior suite is like on the MSC Seashore. Being part of the Aria package, our room came stocked with chocolate and sparkling wine, which was on the house. You'll notice you get 2 towels that you can take with you to either the private island or the pool. Make note as well that these rooms come with 1 USB charger by the bed. Overall, the cabin is spacious and the sofa can be converted into a sleeping space as well. Some small perks you'll get with this room are 2 robes that you must return by the end of your stay, and slippers you get to keep that are branded with the MSC logo. Especially if you sleep with a CPAP machine or have multiple devices that need charging, you may want to bring a power strip as you only get 2 outlets and 2 USB charging ports on the counter. You'll find your fridge or minibar well stocked. Keep in mind though that unless you have a drink package or a part of the yacht club, you will be accountable for anything you drink in here. One thing that really sets this junior suite apart is the ample space you'll find on the balcony. It goes back much further than a traditional balcony does, as you can see up top, which gives you a lot of space to relax and enjoy the views from sea. The bathroom's modern design is nice, and I like the fact that they use liquid soap instead of bar soap. It's just a little more hygienic that way. There's no curtains, and instead they have an actual glass door for their shower. The only downside though is that the bathroom tends to be a little cramped, and if you're above 6 feet tall, you're going to have very little leg room when it comes to the actual toilet area. So one thing to keep in mind, if you're a little taller or have long legs, you may be just a little cramped in this bathroom. One feature I rather liked was their way of signaling do not disturb or make up my room. It's all done with buttons inside your room which signal a light on the outside, which lets your room attendant know which one you need. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you safe travels.